Hi. Your home is your biggest expense. Many people think it's their biggest investment. However, all too soon, many people come to find, either through accidents, loss of a job, or just simply wanting to be free, that they can no longer maintain the status quo, living the banker's dream. And you know what I mean by that. You're paying interest. You are the interest on the loan. The ability to put a roof over your head and enjoy the freedom you were intending has been stripped away from you because of the high price of living. But there is a better way. Many people all over the world are discovering the power of this dome's construction technique. As you are probably already aware, because you found this video, whether you've attended workshops or whether you've researched online, you're left wondering where to start. There are so many options and so many opinions on this subject. Well, after 30 years of experience in this industry, building every detail inside and out, I suspect that probably what you want is a one-step solution. You want to know how to get started. You want an affordable technique that practically builds itself so that you can step into your future right away. Now, here's what I mean by that. Imagine if right away you could slash the cost of living and take all of that money and put it into doing the things that you really are meant to do. Spending time traveling, spending time with your family, having nicer things, yet still having a roof over your head and living a luxurious, comfortable life. You see, the reality is that if you don't do this now, the stress that you've accumulated over the past 5, 10, 15, 20 years is only going to continue to build and get worse. As you know, the job market is more unstable than ever before. In fact, the industrial age is gone, and all the educated professions are designed to fit the mold of an industrial age society. Society as we know it is collapsing around us, and as we see this happening everywhere with a homeless population growing all over the world and becoming greater and greater, and yet we're supposed to be living in the best of economic times. Right here in America, we have an enormous hunger problem and a homeless issue. This can affect you or someone you love because it only takes one illness or one fallout to find yourself in that situation. So, if not the primary plan A to have this incredible home that is paid for and puts a roof over your head and allows you to live in comfort and luxury, as a plan B, it's a no-brainer. It's an insurance policy against sudden disaster and fallout, etc. All you have to do is come to my workshop and I'm going to teach you how to build this amazing home right here for under $15,000. And of course, it's about the construction technique. It doesn't have to be a dome. It can be any shape that you desire. It's world-class construction. You see, I've done all of the hard work for you. I have done all the research, made all the connections, found the discounts at all the vendors, and have a set of blueprints right here. So when you come to this workshop, I'm going to show you how to build this as a legacy of your financial freedom in the event that you want to live off-grid or you just want a plan B, escaping the constant worry that something could happen to you in the future or to someone that you love. In fact, it may even be a family member that you can come to the rescue with this information. And I'm being serious. It's not a game. Someone close to you may be in trouble, and hopefully it's not you. There is a way to financial freedom through lower cost living and higher quality lifestyle. I repeat, a lower cost of living and yet a higher quality of life. This workshop is all about a higher quality of lifestyle and a lower cost of living. In fact, the beauty and elegance in these structures is like a masterful art form. You see, it's taken me a lifetime of experience to distill down what really works, what's highly effective, and to cut out all the fluff and make this system work so beautifully. So I can equip you with the skills, the vendors, and a plan to put this lifestyle together. In only a couple of days, I can put a lifetime of experience in your hands and pass along all of the savings that I have discovered through my knowledge and a lifetime of experience. And I will show you how to easily construct one of these homes for under $15,000.
Okay, so what could you buy with $15,000? Most likely you would spend this for 7 months to a year and a half's worth of your mortgage payment or rent. And then what? You have to do it again. You've got nothing yet. However, if you build this house for $15,000, you're immediately set free from the duty to continue to pay a note. And now you're able to go out and pursue your dreams. Now you can spend more time with your family. Now there's no stress in knowing that you have a home. So click the link below, subscribe, and find out more.